a disclaimer, this video long. I'm sorry, I apologize, but hope you guys do enjoy it. Let's jump right into it. Question number 1, where did you grow up? Now, I grew up in Virginia. I was born in Texas, in the South, you feel me? And then my dad got stationed to Kentucky, and we ended up in Kentucky while he was deployed. I think I was 9 when we moved to Virginia. I promise you, I don't remember, like, I can't remember when we came, but I just know that, you know, from middle school to now, I reside in Virginia. And that was question number 2. Where do you currently live? I do live in Virginia. I'm about to currently move to Nevada. I'm moving to Las Vegas, so I'm super excited. Can't wait for that. I'm going to vlog that whole trip for you guys so you guys can see it. Speaking of that, that is why I haven't reopened any shops or anything like that. I'm actually in the like moment of rebranding myself completely, like my personality, everything, trying to get myself in, you know, in a better place in life. So bear with me, you guys. Number 3, who is your first best friend? Okay, I had a couple best friends, but right now my best friend currently, let you guys know, is Ayana. You guys will see her on my channel one of these days. Well, moving on to question number 4, how tall are you? I ain't gonna lie, on my driver's license it say 5'5", but honestly I'm 5'4". They was lying to make me look better, you know, 5'5", brown skin. What 21 Savage say? 5'5". She my ride or die, never tell a lie. Ow, looking at her thighs like do it come with rice. Period. So yeah, I'm 5'4". Question number 5, dogs or cats? I like both. I had a cat, his name was Prince. He was so cute. I wish I had pictures. He was like a yellow tabby. It was so cute. But I have dogs. I have 2 purebred Rottweilers right now. I want a French bulldog, but people got telling me I couldn't get one because they can't swim and they'll die. And I was just like, kill a sister dreams, you feel me? Like, they didn't have to do me like that. I want a Frenchie, so I can name a Frenchie. Okay, period. So moving on. What year was I born? Let me tell you, hunty, the best year around, you feel me? I was born in 1999 and I am a Gemini. Okay. So my birthday is actually in a couple days. It's on the 27th. I don't know if I'm the only person that does this, but I like to watch movies from the year I was born to see like what classics were made, like what great films, epic Grammy winning films were made the year I was born, because you know I'm the GOAT, so everything else in 99 must have been the GOAT, you feel me? This is number 8. Are you in college or have you gone to college? I don't even want to talk about this because, man, okay, so I did try to go to college, and I am in college, but I do my work, and then that's it. But it was a good school, and when I got there, my roommates are so dope. I love them to death. They're still my girls. Everybody I met in college, I love them to death. I still talk to them to this day. It might not be, you know, every day, but, you know, I still check on them. So, I went there, and it was so many parties. Like, so much partying, so much doing things I was not supposed to be doing. Sorry, Mom. But, yeah, so it was a lot going on in college, but it was a great experience. I'm glad I got to experience it. I definitely miss it every day. But right now I am in school for information technology. I actually do plan on going to astrology and not the people to put people to sleep, not anesthesiologist, but go to school for being an esthetician. I can't talk today, you guys, so bear with me. But I want to go to school to be an esthetician. The next one, that was number 8. We're going to number 9. It says, what is your favorite drink? Okay, so my favorite drink, if we're talking like alcohol, we're talking regular, so it's both. So I used to drink soda a lot. When I used to drink soda, it was Pepsi, Blue, Fanta, and Sprite. Like, if it was not those 3 things, do not show me. And then Pepsi, it had to be vanilla, like, or it could be Dr. Pepper with cream soda. Like, that's good too. But like, I stopped drinking it. I just stopped drinking sodas because it's too much sugar. But so I love smoothies. Those are also my favorite drinks. I like Minute Maids, but it can't be in the bottle. It has to be in the carton. Like, they taste different. You can't tell me that carton Minute Maid and regular Minute Maid do not taste different. Like, they're not the same, right? So as far as alcohol, since I am over 21, You feel me? Drink responsibly, okay? I love Patron. I'm very much a tequila lady. I like tequila. I would drink either Patron or I would definitely drink Douce. Do not try to give me a Henny. Like, do not try to give me any of that. Like, I had the worst experience in college. Like, I drank a whole bottle of Hennessy. Like, not the little personal size. Like, it was like this big. Like, this big. And I was tore up. Like, stomach was done. Couldn't eat for like 4 days after I had to drink smoothies. It was real bad. But, yeah, definitely drink responsibly. But those are my favorite drinks. The next question is, what is your spirit animal and why? We are on number 10. So my spirit animal would probably be a butterfly. And I believe that because butterflies are like, they evolve. They start as caterpillars. They evolve into this beautiful creature. At first they're misunderstood. And then, you know, they become a beautiful creature. Like, what do you mean? But at the same time, I actually Googled like my spirit animal of it being a butterfly. I can't remember exactly everything it was saying, but we are a little sporadic and, you know, things are constantly changing. And I also know, like, with it being my spirit animal, it actually helps me realize that I have to like chill on certain things because I'm very, very active. I'm very impulsive. This is weird. Number 11 is you're wearing perfume. What scent is it? Like, what do you mean? How do you know this, Google? Like, who made this? But so I do wear perfume. I love Flower Bomb. That is my absolute favorite. And then I love all of the Daisy collections. Those are super dope. Marc Jacobs, all of my favorite ones, I promise you. So we are on question number 12, coffee or tea. I like both, but it's more like an iced coffee type thing. And then with tea, like any tea is bomb. I would drink tea every day. I'm not even just talking about the tea with the tea bags. I'm talking about sweet tea, McDonald's tea, Chick-fil-A tea. Like any tea you try to give me, I might drink it. Like, you feel me? Okay. Okay, number 13. What are your life goals? Now, this is something that is definitely a to be continued question, but something I do love to do, you guys know, are nails. I do want to become a licensed nail tech. I'm in the process of doing that. But like I just told you guys, I want to be esthetician and open up my own nail salon with like a skincare bar and a lash bar as well. And just have my business be my own boss, things that you guys already know, you feel me? What else? What sports do you or have you played? I am a basketball playing female. I also ran track. I was very fast. I did volleyball for 2 years. I wish I did it more because I feel like if I could put my all in volleyball, I could have got a scholarship in it. Next question is number 15. So we got 10 more questions. Have any books you've read changed your life? Honestly, not right now. Number 16, what is your favorite movie? Like, I love scary movies, you guys. Like, I am addicted to scary movies. Like, those are my favorite genre. Now, my favorite movie probably would be Dawn of the Dead and 7 Deadly Sins, the movie. I love anime, so that was probably one of my favorite movies. What else? It's a lot. I love movies. Like, I love watching movies. My favorite genres are action, comedy, like I said, anime, and scary movies. I like science fiction. It's a lot of movies I really... Number 17 is who is your favorite YouTubers, or who are your favorite YouTubers? Honestly, I don't really have any favorite YouTubers. Like, oh my God, I'll look at every video. But I do have a couple that I actually like. As far as nails, Get Nail 32, she is super dope. She actually inspired me to do nails. Like, at the time it was acrylics, but then I learned how to do press-on nails. And I took everything kind of like I learned from her and like put them on the press-on nails as I could. So I say she's like my person. I like, you know, my favorite YouTuber. But as far as just regular YouTubers, I don't have one besides me, you know. You guys can let me know if I'm your favorite YouTuber. I know, if you know, you know. And if I'm your favorite YouTuber, let me know in the comments. You feel me? Okay, so the next one is number 18. Do you speak any languages and how well? The only other language I can speak is Spanish, and I do not speak that very well. I learn here or there. Like, it's literally like little things. I do not know a lot. Baño, point me to the baño, and ¿cómo estás? Buenos días. Like, I'm trying to learn. I want to learn French as well. Okay, the next question is, which is number 19, are you single or are you taken? I am very much taken. I'm just so excited because like that's why I'm moving to Nevada to move in with my significant other, you guys. So it's pretty lit. We actually have a channel coming up, so make sure you stay tuned for, you know, our little YouTube channel together, you guys. Okay. Now how long have I been taking? It's almost about to be a year, in a couple months. So I've been out the market a while, you guys. Okay, so number 20, what is your idea of your dream date? I don't really have an idea of a dream date. Like, I got some ideas of some nice dates, like a picnic, or, you know, walking on the beach. Like, I don't have like a dream date because I didn't go on my first real date till I was like 19. So it kind of didn't matter. I never was like, oh my God, I want to do this. I'm very much a hopeless romantic, but like, you know, I'm not pressed. If it happens, it happens. I don't want it to be my idea. I want it to be a surprise. You feel me? So I don't really have an idea of a dream date. You guys can tell me your dream dates though. Oh, how long was your longest relationship? My longest relationship is my current relationship, and it's almost a year. So we're 22. How do you describe your fashion sense? Honestly, my fashion is awful right now, but that's because I was never really a girly girl. I grew up in the woods. I didn't become a girly girl until college, and that was at the age of 18, 20, 19, 20-ish. My fashion sense isn't bad. I dress okay, but I definitely need some help. So any personal stylist, you know, y'all can definitely help me out, you feel me? But it's never really been a big thing to me. I make sure my hair is on fleek, lashes, nails for the most part. That's really all I cared about. Fashion, clothes, they didn't really impress me for much. I mean, there's some things some ideas, but I go to Pinterest for it, for real. The next question is, what is your go-to hairstyle? If y'all know me, I keep a wig on my head. I promise you, like, wigs are my go-tos. I can show you 15, 20 different hairstyles within a month. Like, I definitely changed it up a lot, but you know, I kind of like the burgundy, you guys. I just blew it out today. Like, I washed it and blow dried it, so it's not, you know, sleek down, curled, or flat iron, so don't fry me. But I think the burgundy is like my new everyday hair color, because black is cute, honey, but this burgundy do something to me, you feel me? So definitely a wig definitely am a wig wearer. My natural hair is also in the process of growing back, so that is why I wear wigs for the most part, for a protective style. Braids are cute. Braids only last a week in my head. I literally spent 2 days doing box braids on my head and kept them in for a week. All right, so the next question is, what is your go-to fast food order? Now, I eat at Chick-fil-A. I will eat at Chick-fil-A every day. Chick-fil-A needs to go ahead and sponsor me, put me on the billboard, and give me free Chick-fil-A, because I love Chick-fil-A. Like, Chick-fil-A is live. What do you mean? Like, I go get the 4-count chicken strips with the large fry and the large lemonade with no ice, honey, or I'll get the frozen lemonade with the vanilla in it. Like, that's my go-to too. But that John B low-key had me a stomach busting, so I need y'all to put some non-lactate vanilla in there, Chick-fil-A or something. I don't know what's going on with that, but yes, it's already saved. They know me when I pull up, like, curbside. Okay, so the next question is, what social media are you addicted to right now? Probably gonna be TikTok. I think that's everybody's. Like, I want to start making TikToks because why not? Like, they're dope. They're really dope. TikTok, Pinterest, those are my main two. I'm always on Pinterest searching for things, looking at things. Yeah, YouTube is also something I'm very addicted to. I'll be watching the little YouTube reels in there. Social media is very addicting. Number 24 is kind of a touchy subject for me. How many siblings do you have? So I have 4 siblings. One of my siblings actually just recently passed away. In February 17th, my brother passed, but I still have 4 siblings, even though, you know, he passed away. I have 3 brothers and a sister. I am the youngest. So the last question is, what made you start your YouTube channel? So what made me start my YouTube channel was I wanted to start making my own hair videos. And I did when I was in college, and I had my YouTube for a while. But I started posting hair videos, like how to fix synthetic wigs, how to color hair, and all this other stuff, right? So one day I decided, this was during COVID, to start doing nails. I got my nail haul video, which you guys probably have already seen already, and like me making some press-on nails, and it just went up. Like it just skyrocketed up. And my channel went from having 44 subscribers. And once I hit that 2K mark, I'm doing a giveaway, you guys. My first giveaway. So make sure you guys tune in for that. My social media has changed. I apologize. It will not change anymore. But my Instagram to contact me at, this is the only Instagram I have, is I am Camille Dior. That is Instagram. Make sure you guys follow me so you guys can keep up with me, as well as keep up with the information I have to give you guys. That was it for the questions, you guys. I think I answered that question. That's what made me start my YouTube channel. Like, I wanted to, my ultimate goal, I'm gonna tell you guys this, and it may sound conceited, but I kind of don't care because y'all gonna like me or not, period. I want to be, like, famous on YouTube. Like, I want to have 10K subscribers. Like, I manifest, that's not even a lie, but like 100,000, 10,000, a million, I don't care. I want to be YouTube famous, I guess you want to call it. Like, I want to actually be known for something. I want my name to mean something. So that's why I'm on YouTube. That's what actually drove me to start making videos. And then once they started popping, like, my confidence level was low. Like, I did not expect my 44 subscribers to jump up to what it is now. So I'm very grateful for each and every one of y'all that check out my videos, because you guys are amazing. And I hope it continues to grow and manifest into better content, so that it can so I can get more of you guys to subscribe and, build my channel, because that's something I really want to do. Like, y'all, blow me up. Beam me up, Scotty, blow me up. You feel me? And it may sound conceited, but I don't care because y'all still like me. But that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys like the nails I did. I hope you guys like the, the about me, because you guys definitely did want to know some things about me. So make sure you guys check out the rest of my videos, and I'll see you guys later.